Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your CVS loyalty card to the Instacart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a CVS loyalty card and you want to order groceries through the Instacart app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Instacart app. Next, on the upper right-hand corner, click on your profile icon. Then, from here, you want to go ahead and click on Add Loyalty Cards. And on this page here, you should see a list of different loyalty cards. Go ahead and click on CVS, Add Card. And then this is where you're going to enter your CVS card number, where the loyalty program for CVS is called CVS Extra Care. Now, with CVS Extra Care, you do get 2% back every time you shop with CVS. So enter your card number here and then click on confirm, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your CVS loyalty card to the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.